Hello everyone. Today I am going to be discuss exercise 9A. But first we have to discuss question number 16 of exercise 9D, in which question is saying that the four semicircular gross plate plots shaded in figure first, second, third, and fourth are to be turfed at 20.50 rupees per square meter. This is the cost of turfing. And here if the side of a square ABCD is 10 meter, as we know that all the sides of a square is same, so if AB is 10 meter, then BC is also will be 10 meter, and CD is also will be 10 meter, and D is also will be 10 meter. Then we have to calculate the cost of turfing. So means we have to calculate the area of this semicircle, this semicircle, this semicircle, and this semicircle. So for this is the side of the square, and it is also the diameter of the each semicircle. Diameter of this semicircle is 10 meter, diameter of this semicircle is 10 meter, diameter of this semicircle is 10 meter, diameter of this semicircle is also 10 meter. So the radius of each semicircle will be same. In this case, the area of each semicircle is also same, because radius of the each semicircle is same. So we have to calculate the area of the semicircles. So here diameter is given and it is 10 meter. Then we know that radius is d by 2. It means half of the diameter. So d is 10 by 2, and 10 by 2 means 5 meter, which is radius of the each semicircle. Then area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to, since each semicircle has same area, so we write 4 into area of one semicircle, and area of one semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. So here 2 2s are 4, so we get 2 pi r square. Then value of r is 5, so we put here r is equal to 5, then we get square of 5, and square of 5 is 25. So product of 25 and 2, 50 and pi meter square. It is the area of 4 semicircles. Then in the problem we have to calculate the cost of turfing, and here we use value of pi is 3.14. So 50 into 3.14 meter square. So here 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 to 7, 5 3s are 15, and add 1 0. So we get 157.00 meter square, or 157 meter square, which is the area of 4 semicircles. Then we have to cost of turfing. So So cost of turfing is equal to, since in the problem given that cost of turfing is per square meter 20.50 rupees, so cost of turfing for 157 meter square is 157 into 20.50, and here we product the 20.50 and 157